Hey everyone, it's me again. I'm back. This is a late night video. I'm here with another customer segment, and you may wonder, why. I think I'm also want to do some updates. You may wonder why is the background so different. Well, it's because I'm in my new house. Um, um, now, so yeah, um. Now, let me just show you the customs first. So the first one I have here is Rex. So I modified the eyebrows. I used silver sharpener to shorten them. I use green marker for the pistons. There's some sort of sandboxes. I don't know what they're called. Correct me in the comments below. I decided to use green, make the wheels back to green since I don't know. Yeah. There was some black on the sides here, so I touched up that. I also used green marker for the fake wheels and the running board. Well, that's silver marker. I put a lamp at the back since all engines must have lamps. Next, so yeah, that's Rex. And here we have Jock. So yeah, this is Jock. Let me just. So the wheels are gold again, since I wanted to look like the other miniature engines. The other detailing, they're still the same. It's still take and play Donald. I modified the letters Arlesdale with red marker, red stripe on the back, and also lamp like Rex. Like Rex here. Yeah. I dropped the camera. Next up is Mike. So Mike, I made his wheels red. Running board. I was trying to black out his mouth, and I managed to put silver marker all over it, and lamp at the back. Oh yeah, and also forgot. I put hold on. You may wonder why is there hold on, let me put in the. Why is there like a gold there? Well, that's meant to resemble the fire. It's like on Mike here. Same thing I did on Mike. Right there. And I managed to do the inside floor silver. Yeah, I forgot to say the same thing for Jock. Yeah. And yeah. And that was, I think I showed that off before. Like, the paint was starting to chip off and I had to use red marker for that. If I have, then I'm doing it again. Next up there is Bert, who is upside down. Okay, let me just move this thing over. Yeah, I put Bert on the foam. Yeah. So I modified, like Rex, I modified Bert's eyebrows. silver running board, blue wheels. Well, the wheels. I'm trying to chip the wheels off so that it'll be blue. Yeah, you can't really see that blue very well, but I also did the fake wheels blue. So yeah, and there's a little foam in there. The back is still the same. I also did blue on Bert's cylinders. Yeah, yeah, that's Bert. His tender. Yeah, the wheels are still blue, and I added a lamp. Now on my new and improved permanent Frank. So I made Frank out of blister 1. It was an Adventures diesel. It says Frank on the bottom. The base is still the same. Silver all over it, and that's pretty much it. And I haven't put a gold dot at the back so I can make it like the lamp. And yeah. Yeah, this will be my permanent Frank. So yeah. Mike, what are you doing? Scarlet Fire.